Say again.
The rim is not dirty.
Oh, is it? That's good.
Take some rays. I forgot.
Oh, I think there's something in the back of my truck.
What do you need to go under there now? 4x4 go there?
I think a couple of those, maybe just a couple of those ones that we put in, these, or maybe 3 at the most. So the truck tyre went flat last week, and that was another thing that broke. So we're out here on a Friday night trying to get it repaired so that I can haul some gravel this weekend and get the road finished, hopefully. So I'm pulling a jack up underneath this truck so that we've got enough height so we can change the tyre on it, which I'll film as we go. And obviously I'm trying to do that whilst videoing a selfie, as it were. Oh, here comes John. Say again?
I like me dead.
Oh yeah, I didn't notice. Oh, there we go. Beautiful.
That's better. That's good enough. You're up there now 3 inches over the...
Yeah, good.
Sometimes they make a blow, but that's not very much.
Not
Don't get in.
It's on.
It's there, and
Oh. So extremely stressful time this week. Not really had a minute to do any filming, and I've been sat on the computer all week. So it's been a difficult one in terms of trying to show you something interesting, because all I've been doing is organising. Oh man, have I just been driving in 4x4? Probably balled my tyres. Got an engine light on. Oh, what a nightmare. That's the sort of week it's been. That is the sort of week it's been. Hey, so I was all full of excitement last week, the beginning of the week, when John had dug this out. And if you see here, this is the edge of the road, and if you look up there, that's the edge of the other piece of the road. So essentially all we have to do is come through here, come through this section where that tree is, and a little bit of orange tape, and that's the road finished. We'll have almost a full, I think, kilometre of road that goes all the way up. But to get this initial phase, the phase that took me 6 years to join that section, I was hoping we'd have like 2 days to do, but what happened, if you see that big rock over there, and then these 2 big rocks over here, John tried to lift them, but the nut had come off a retaining bolt on the excavator, and I'll show you the part now. But before I do, just to give you a bit of scale, this is the rock that he was trying to move. I don't know if you can see it, and this is the rock that he was trying to move. I'll try and give you a bit of an idea. It's massive, absolutely massive. So just to give you an idea, this is the link that goes on the back of the excavator, and obviously we tore this bit off. It's over here, still attached to the pin, so it's not supposed to be like that. So there's not much we can do. I've ordered the part. It was quite expensive. It's supposed to be here next week. John's refurbishing the bucket now because it's a good time to do that. And yeah, you can see this is also a bit bent as well, but that should straighten up. But yeah, it's an old machine, as is everything. I mean, I don't know if I haven't put anything on, but we had to repair a tyre on the dump truck that I got this year the other day, and that was just epic. That was 4.5 hours of just prying and hammering on the tyre to get it on. And we did it in the end, but it was it was hard work. So yeah, that's what this week has been. So one of the other things that happened today was we got this deck finished. Ron finished it off, which is absolutely amazing. I don't think you're going to get an idea on the video of the scale of it. It's 32 foot by 32 foot. It's a huge deck. I mean, it's just brilliant. Absolutely wonderful dance floor. So yeah, we're getting on our way. I've just done the first loose cut along this edge, and I've done the same over there on that edge, and then to finish the cuts I've just got to do a string line and cut it a little shorter, but I'm really pleased with it. It looks absolutely amazing. And John's been working on that bucket that you can see for the excavator for the last few days, so hoping we get a year out of it. If we do, it'll be time well spent. So it should allow us to finish most of the roads that we've got in place, and that'll be that.
You got out there already?
All right. Also love to hear if anybody else is stupid enough to have a go at doing this sort of development, like just trying to scrape through on a shoestring on such a ambitious way. It's a massive area for one guy to be trying to develop, and I don't quite have the background for it, and I didn't have the knowledge when I started, and I'm trying to figure it out as I go. So that's essentially what this channel's about, and it's also to my family and friends are in England, and I'm trying to create something that they can look at because they all know me. So anybody else who and I don't get enough time to reconnect with them, so I'm trying to use this as a way to help them follow on with my sort of journey here. Anyway, I'm going to stop ranting. I'll put this video up, and I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe if you do, or make a comment or whatever. But yeah, hopefully next week we're going to be starting on this rock anchor job, and I'll film a bit of that and actually try and get some time to concrete some videos together. On the subject of concrete, this is the other thing I've been doing. So this is a grout plant, and we wanted to make sure that it all works, which it does. Bring it down here from Waverley, and yeah, this is another piece of the puzzle for next week. There is a couple of things I need to do to this by next week, but I'm going to save that for then.
Probably not going to stay there.